So, in this lecture, we're gonna talk about the conditional statement or using the if statement in our code. So now, if you look with me at this code, what we want to write here is to make the user input a number, and we're gonna check this number, see if it's even or odd. Okay, so if I run for the program for you, it initially will be like this. It's gonna say enter a number, and let's say the user entered a 5. We need to tell if this number is even or odd. So how we can do that? How we can, let's say, do logical operations in our code? Simply by adding the if statement. So if you come down here, type if, let's say number mod 2 equal 0. Okay, we can say this is an even number, put right line even number, or we can say else it is odd number. Now let's break down this code over here. If you notice, we have the if statement. The if statement is a conditional statement that will look into the condition between these symbols and check the values. If it's true, it's gonna execute the first part. If not, it's gonna go to the other part. Okay, I want to just to focus on this if statement for now. So if I run again my code, I say I'll input 8. Notice that in the screen it says it's an even number, which is made it go to the let's say first branch of the condition. Now I actually want you to see how the code runs in real time. So you can do that by adding a breakpoint. It will hold the execution of the program, and it will allow you to see the internal values or what's going on with the code. So let's do that, but you need to run it in debug mode to see this dark green arrow, not the other arrow, or you can press F5. Okay, so let's run the code. I'll input 5. Notice it's stopped me, and I have, or I can see the value over here. Notice I can see the number I entered 5, it's right here, and by dividing it, or let's say the remainder of 2, okay, if it's 0, it's gonna be what? It's gonna be an even number. Now if you notice, if I hover over here, the 5 division or the remainder of division by 2 is 1. Okay, so what will make this my the results of my condition? Now if you press shift and F9, you get to see if it's true or false for the value. Okay, now notice that my value is false, it's not correct. So this way it's gonna go to the other branch of my code. So if I continue my code, notice that it says it's an odd number. Okay, so for now, understand that the if statement, what will do, it will check a logic inside it and then execute other code.